welcome Ronan Paul.
I will not make the same mistakes that you did. I will not let myself cause my heart so much misery. I will not break the way you did. You fell so hard. I've learned the hard way to never let it get that far. Because of you, I'll never stray too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I learned to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I find it hard to trust not only me, but everyone around me. Because of you, I am afraid I lose my way, and it's not too long before you point it out. I cannot cry because I know that's weakness in your eyes. I'll never stray too far from the sidewalk. I learn to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. I find it hard to trust not only me, but everyone around me. Because of you, I am afraid. Because of you.
Well done, Ronan.
Let's go over to the judges. Michael, can we start with you, please?
Ronan, seriously. That was perfect. I think it was perfect. I mean, I'm such a great fan of yours that I felt nervous when you walked on and was so hoping that you would do well. And I was put at ease, literally, with the first note. And it was perfection from then on. And I loved the song as well because it could show off just how much strength you have in your voice. It was just absolutely exceptional. And I would pay to go and see you, definitely.
Thanks, Michael. Amanda.
Ronan, from the moment that we set eyes on you in that audition, I knew there was a magic about you. Your composure, the strength of your voice, and just the fact that you are a gorgeous, gorgeous boy. You're a credit to your parents and to this show. Congratulations, you completely stormed.
Thanks, Amanda.
Simon.
How are you, Ronan?
Good.
Had a nice quiet week? And you know what? How you cope with everything so well, your age, and then you come out on that stage, and this is a big, big song, and you nailed it. You just did brilliantly. There's somebody sitting to my left, actually, who actually did say in the audition... What did you say, Louis?
I thought he was a star. I think he still is a little star, and he's made the hair stand on the back of my neck. Fantastic.
Wow.
He's a bit sweaty.
Thanks, Simon. Thanks, Louis. David?
Ronan, I actually wrote down, Ronan will win this competition if he nails it. And, buddy, you nailed it. It was perfect.
Wow. Thanks, judges. Thank you. So, well done. And you got an extra judge's comment on the end there as well.
Remember that name, Ronan Park.
Listen, you promised, you said tonight, you said, I'm not going to cry. I'm not going to cry. You didn't cry, but you've done really, really well. Were you pleased?
Yeah. Thank you so much to everyone who voted.
I bet with everything that's gone on this week, you just wanted to come out here and just sing tonight. And boy, did you do it. Well done.
Well done, Ronan. Don't go now. You've done so well. Come on, it's fine. To send Ronan to see the Queen, I'll be quick. Just call 090 11 32 22 06. But remember, the lines aren't open yet. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, Ronan Parke. Come here.
He was doing so
I was trying to cheer him up with a little high five.
No, he didn't want it. Time for a quick